the peak so high. Winds whisper secrets as clouds drift by. A villa stands where dreams reside, with nature's grace as its endless guide. Windows wide to a boundless view, a pool reflecting the sky's deep hue. Birds in flight paint the air with song. The mountain hums where we belong. Rooms so vast they hold the breeze, rich with calm, a life of ease. Each step echoes a grand ballet, in a world of wonder where we stay. Stone and wood embrace the ground, harmony in every sound. The sun dips low, the shadows play, inviting stars to light our way. A villa's heart beats slow and strong. The mountain sings where we belong, rich with beauty, calm and true. Every corner holds a view. Rooms so vast they hold the breeze, rich with calm, a life of ease.